Namaste. Welcome to our kitchen. We'll show you how to make this popular Indian street food at home. Learn to prepare crispy puris and tangy pani step by step. Perfect for parties or family snacks. Even us kids love it. Let's now enter the portal to our kitchen. Let's start by adding 5 cups of soji into a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon salt for taste. Add 3 cups water gradually while mixing. After mixing, it should be a soft dough. Now in a hot roti machine, flatten small balls of dough. Don't worry, you can use a rolling pin too. Dip the flat dough into hot oil and fry until crisp. After the puri is done, take 300 grams of black chana and wash in water 3 to 4 times. And pressure cook for 20 minutes along with 4 medium potatoes. Meanwhile, let's get fresh mint from our garden. Don't worry, if you don't have one, store-bought mint is just good as fresh mint. Now in a blender, add 2 bunches of coriander leaves and 3 to 4 handfuls of mint. Throw in 5 to 6 chilies for spice and 1 inch ginger, 3 teaspoon black salt and 1 teaspoon salt for taste. Finally, for sourness, let's add juice from 3 lemons. Now blend till it's a nice paste. After blending, dump the paste into a bowl and add the water and any extra salt, lemon and spice afterwards. Here 2 liters of water is used. The chana and potatoes should be done, so let's now add them together. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons coriander cumin powder. Mash it up. Add pani into the potato masala for flavor. And there you have it. Serve it up together. If you want more recipes like this, subscribe with the notification bell so you don't miss a video.